Hey ladies, it's me, April. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do some Christmas nails. And I have my flexi hand here. And let's go ahead and get started on what acrylics I'm gonna be using today. We have this dark blue with some flakies, very tiny hints of flakies. And then this one is a darker blue with more flakies inside. The milky white from Luxury Nails, and another flakies with it has like different colors. It's pretty, well, kind of like a yellowish tone. So let's go ahead and start with the Luxury Nails milky white onto the pinky. Okay, on the ring finger, we're gonna go ahead and do an ombre effect. We're gonna have the milky white on the top, then the darker flakies in the middle, and then we're gonna have the brighter blue underneath that, and we're gonna just ombre and blend it together. It's gonna look really, really pretty. Alright, so I had went to the Dollar Tree and I went ahead and bought some of these snowflakes. They're navy blue and also white with some iridescence in there as well. So I wanted to try the blue one because I think it would have been perfect on that ombre nail. And I wanted to test it out before I put it on, so I put some monomer on it and it bled. Like it bled, so I was like, oh, that sucked. So I went ahead and got the white one instead, and what I did to it is this one didn't bleed, so I kind of bent it a little bit just so it can kind of form onto the nail perfectly. And what I meant by bending is this is what I'm talking about. You see the little bent there, and it would fit perfectly on the nail. So that is what I'm going to do. So we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of clear acrylic onto the nail so I can go ahead and stick that snowflake in there. Alright, so we're going to go back to the pinky and add the acrylic, the flakies on top of that. It looks really, really pretty on top of white. Like, you can just see all the flakies. It's beautiful. Okay, so it's time for the middle finger, and I'm using this glitter here. It's Sapphire from Glittertastrophe. It is so darn pretty. I love it. It has so much blues in there. And then there's also holographic blues. It's just beautiful. Very beautiful. Now we're going to go ahead and put some clear acrylic onto the middle finger. And then from there, I will be dipping my brush into the glitter to put some onto the nail. And then I also dip my brush into the clear acrylic and then dunk my brush into the bag again, just to add some more acrylic within the glitter so they can all like stick together. Onto the index finger, we're going to go ahead and put the milky white on top of all that nail there. And we're also going to put the flakies that we have on the pinky onto that nail as well. But we're only going to do it like kind of like halfway, blend it down halfway. And then after that, we're going to be also applying the sapphire blue glitter onto the nail as well. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and encapsulate all the nails with crystal clear acrylic from Luxury Nails. These nails are turning out so beautiful. I love blue and white nails. It just looks so darn pretty. But we're not done yet. It's time for rhinestones. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, so we're going to be using the AB colored crystal. And we're just going to put a little bit on top of that napkin there. And I will be using the crystal katana for this design. And I'm so excited to use this. This is my first time using it. And I'm excited. And I was kind of like scared. I don't know if I should push it in so much or how I needed to do it. But, you know, I just didn't want to mess it up. Okay, after I have cleaned up the nails with alcohol, I am going to go ahead and add the top coat. And I just love adding top coat onto anything that is sparkly. It is just so pretty. Okay, so after adding the top coat and my nails are finished, what do you guys think? Let me know, comment down below and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks guys, bye!